also we're going to discuss some numericals. I will copy the question on the screen. Please start doing the question. Find the circumference of the circle whose area is 16 times the area of the 16 times the area of the circle with diameter 7 centimeter. With diameter 7 centimeter. Solve this question. Find the circumference of the circle whose area is 16 times the area of the circle with a diameter 7 centimeter. This is 7 centimeter. Fine. First find the area. Let's assume diameter of given circle is x centimeter So area of circle is pi d square by 4. The given data whose area is, so area of circle is 16 times area of circle where the diameter is 7 centimeter. So this will be equal to pi d square by, suppose pi x square by 4 will be equal to 16 times pi 7 square by 4. So pi cancel, 4 cancel. So the diameter of the required circle is 16 into 7 square. From here x is equal to 4 into 7, 28 centimeter. From here the circumference of the required circle is pi d, that is 22 by 7 into 28, because this is the diameter of the required circle. 88 centimeter is the circumference of the required circle. Is everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. If you done, we will move to the next question. If everyone done, we will move to the next question. Yeah, we move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
The wheel of a cart the wheel of a cart is making 5 revolutions per second. If the diameter of the wheel is 84 centimeter, find its speed in kilometer per hour. Give your answer, correct the nearest kilometer. So give answer in approximate value, and in kilometers. Solve this question. You have to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. First find the speed in meter per second and convert into kilometer per hour. Solve this question by your own. and let me know what is the answer. What's the answer?
Sir, 1320 centimeter per second.
1320 centimeter per second. So convert into kilometer per hour.
I have to convert, sir.
First convert into meter per second. After that, sorry, first convert into meter per second. After that, it will be easy to convert into kilometer per hour. What is the answer? Anyone, any step if you are not understanding, please let me know. .52 kilometer per hour. I got the answer. Is everyone got the same answer or any different answer? Somebody told 1320 centimeter per second. You also got the same answer in kilometer per hour, because the question is he's asking finally you have to find out the speed in kilometer per hour approximately. That is a question.
Got it, sir.
Same answer.
Sir.
Yeah. Any others? Done the question?
Yes, sir. Same answer.
Yeah. Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Find the circumference of the circle whose area is equal to the sum of the areas of three circles with radii 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. Solve this question. Same as find the area of the required circle. From that, find the diameter or radius. Once you got the diameter of the radius, you can find out the required circle circumference.
Sir, radius is 11 centimeter.
Radius is 11 centimeter. Let's see whether everyone got the same answer. Suppose if the required circle radius is r, pi r square will be equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square plus pi r3 square. From here I can say, because it is sum of remaining three areas of the circles, r square is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 36. So r square is equal to 49. R is equal to 7 centimeter. You got the same answer? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then circumference is how much?
44 centimeter.
Pi 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 7 centimeter. 7 7 cancels. The circumference is 44 centimeter. So it's a simple. Sorry. If done, let me know. We'll move to the next question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed everyone? Next question. Find the area of Find the area enclosed between two concentric circles. Two concentric circles of radii 3.5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. A third concentric circle is drawn outside the outside the 7 centimeter circle so that the area enclosed between the area enclosed between it and the 7 centimeter circle is the same as that same as that between the two inner circle between the two inner circles. Find the radius of the third circle. Read the question smoothly and try to answer the question. Find the radius of the third circle. I am leaving to you people. What is yours? Please solve this question. Read the question. Find the area of enclosed between two concentric circles of radii 3.5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. A third concentric circle is drawn outside the 7 centimeter circle so that the area enclosed between it and the 7 centimeter circle is the same as that between the two inner circles. Find the radius of the circle. Try. First, let me know what is the given data. There are three concentric circles. I will give the given data. At least after that, we can try. Anyone can explain what is the given data? How to solve? Anyone can explain?
Sir, we have to find the areas of the two concentric circles and subtract both of them.
Correct. See here, three different concentric circles. Suppose if I am taking, this is the first and this is the second radius, this is the third circle radius from the center, for example. But I don't know the third circle radius, but this is 7 centimeter and the first one is 3.5 centimeter. Correct or not? What is giving is here, suppose the area enclosed between this first circle and second circle is equal to the area enclosed between second circle and third circle. This is a given data. So how to find out the area enclosed between two area enclosed between two concentric circles? What is the formula? So inner circle is small and outer circle is bigger one. So area of the, like it's like an area of the path, a circular path, the shaded region. Out of this big circle, I don't want the smaller circle. So I can write pi capital R square minus small r square is a general formula. So where capital R is the outer circle radius, small r is the inner circle radius. So using this, find the area enclosed between the two circles whose radius was 7 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. That will be equal to pi into 7 square minus 3.5 square. 7 square minus 3.5 square. This can be written as 22 by 7 into, apply a plus b formula into a minus b formula. 7 plus 3.5, 7 minus 3.5. This will be equal to 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 3.5. So you will get the answer 231 by 2. 231 by 2 or 115.5 or 115.5 centimeter square. Let us assume the area, radius of third circle is x centimeter. So area enclosed between, according to given, area enclosed between third and second circles will be equal to area enclosed between first and second. From here I can frame an equation. Pi x square minus 7 square will be equal to 231 by 2. Solve the x value from here. Solve the x value from here. Let me know what is the answer. Find the x value from here. Is there any perfect square is available? What is the final answer? Let me know. I need final answer. Anyone? Even if it is under the root, also not a problem. What is the answer? Approximately. See, it is almost nearer to 81. So the answer is approximately 99.2. It is in between 9 to 9.5. 9 square is 81. 10 square is 100. So answer is in between 9 to 9.5. So take 91 square, 92 square, which is nearest value, and round it off in this case, because it's not a perfect square. It's not a perfect square. Otherwise, you can keep it like this. X square is equal to root of 85.75 centimeter, where this is the radius of the third circle. Is everyone understood this question? Any doubt in this question? Please let me know. We'll move to the next question.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah. One more question. Two circles touch externally. Two circles touch externally. The sum of their areas is 58 pi centimeter square, and the distance between their centers is 10 centimeter. Find the radii of the two circles. Find the radii of the two circles. Two circles touch externally. I will give a clue for this and you can proceed. Suppose this is one circle, this is another circle. like this, for example. So these circles are touching externally. So this is R1, this is R2. The sum of their areas is, so if I'm taking this is A1, this is A2. So total area is A1 plus A2 is 58 pi. And the distance between their centers is 10 centimeter. So the distance between C1 to C2, that means R1 plus R2 is equal to 10 centimeter. So using A1 plus A2 create one equation, using R1 plus R2, this is the second equation. Find R1, R2 separately. Try this question. If you got the anyone got the answer, please let me know. No reply, anyone? No one done the question? Is there everyone? Akash, Hamsini, anyone got the answer or not? Hello, Shivani, Sandhya, anyone? Niranjana, is there everyone? Hello. Okay, still working out. So pi r1 square plus pi r2 square is equal to 58 pi. From here, r1 square plus r2 square is equal to 58. From another relation, r2 is equal to 10 minus r1. Substitute this value here. So r1 square plus 10 minus r1 whole square will be equal to 58. So expand this one, r1 square plus 100 minus 220 r1 plus r1 square is equal to 58. From here we'll get a quadratic equation, 2r1 square minus 20r1 plus 100 minus 58 is equal to 0. And again you can rewrite as r1 square minus 10r1, 100 minus 58 is 42. Sum should be 10, the product should be 42. Visual gives. The sum should, no, 42 by 2, sorry, this should be divided by 2, so 21. So sum should be r1 square minus 10r1 plus 21, sum should be 10, product should be 21, so 7 and 3 by splitting the middle term. Factorization method I am doing. So if I am taking r1 common, r1 minus 7 minus 3r1, r1 minus 7 is equal to 0. So r1 minus 7 into r1 minus 3 is equal to 0. So r1 is equal to either 3 or 7. If r1 is equal to 3, r2 is equal to 7. If r1 is equal to 7, r2 is equal to 3. So the radii are 7 centimeter comma 3 centimeter. This is how we can able to find out. The radii are, the bigger circle radius is 7 centimeter, smaller circle radius is 3 centimeter. So this is how we have to solve this question. Please let me know anybody is having any doubts.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, shall we go to the last question for today? I will move to the last question. One question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. The area enclosed between two concentric circle. The area enclosed between two concentric circles 346.5 centimeter square. If the circumference of the inner circle is, if the circumference of inner circle is 88 centimeter, find the radius of the outer circle. Find the radius of the outer circle. Solve this question. The area enclosed between two concentric circles is 346.5 centimeter. The circumference of inner circle given. Find the radius of the inner circle. Then using that, you can able to find out the radius of the outer circle.
Sir,
Got the
radius of
answer?
the first circle is 14 centimeter. Radius of the second circle is 17.5.
So radius of inner circle is, so radius of outer circle is capital R, radius of inner circle is small r. So according to given data, pi r square is equals 88. Sorry, circumference of the inner circle given. So 2 pi small r is equal to 88. From here, r is equals 88 by 2 pi. So 44 by pi. 44 by pi means 44 by 22 by 7. So 22. So 14 centimeter. So the area of the gap, area enclosed between the two concentric circle is pi capital R square minus small r square will be equal to 346.5. From here, pi capital R square minus 14 square is equals 346.5. So r square minus 14 square will be equal to 346.5 into 7 by 22. Clear what I am doing? So from here you can able to find out the r square. Once you got the r square, you will get the root of what you got r value. Somebody told the answer. What is the capital R value?
17.5.
17.5 centimeter. If is everyone got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, the questions will be like this in this topic. It is interrelated. They will take 2-3 different circles and they will relate the required data to other circles. So if you are able to solve the things, then only you can able to find out required thing. If you are able to solve the unknown things, then only you can able to find out required things. Is it clear? Tomorrow we are going to talk, next class we are going to start a new topic. I think enough practice over the circles, basics. We are going to for sectors. How to find out the sector area, segment area. How to find out the sector area, segment area. That we are going to discuss. What is a sector? What is a segment? Anyone can tell? We'll wind up the class with that discussion. Anyone can tell what is a sector area and segment area?
Sir, when a chord is dividing the circle.
Yeah, if the chord is dividing the circle, the two parts is, suppose if this is a circle, the chord divides, this is one part, this is another part. So this is sector or segment?
Segment.
So this is minor segment, the small one is called minor segment, the bigger one is called major segment. Then when you will call as a sector?
When two chords intersect at a point.
No. if you cut the circle like this, how many are people interested with pizzas? This is called sector. This is called sector. Sector is a part of the circular region of the plane enclosed by an arc with its radius. So this is called minor segment, minor sector, and remaining part will be like this. This is called major sector. So here, if they are asking about segment areas, there is a particular method, and if they are asking about sectors, there is a particular method. So this is our next topic. Shall we wind up this class today? You can close. Any doubts, please let me know.
No doubt, sir.
Yeah, we'll meet in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.